Are you looking for more delicious recipes for dry January? Well, we got you. So this one's going to be super easy, probably has ingredients you already have in the house. So what you're going to need is orange juice, pineapple juice, grenadine if you have it, completely optional. So first thing we're going to do is add ice to our glass. We're going to add about half the volume on orange juice. Then we're going to add about a quarter of that on pineapple juice. We're going to add just a splash of grenadine. Like I said, this is completely optional, but it adds a really beautiful color and a touch of sweetness. Then we're going to go ahead and give this a stir. And then top it off with soda water. This is definitely a crowd pleaser of a drink, and I promise it is delicious. Now, if you are not practicing dry January and you want a delicious cocktail using this ingredient base, simply add some rum. It is fantastic. So, cheers to dry January.